Alright guys, so we're just going to combine all of our fresh ingredients together before we add it to the oxtail. So right here I have some fresh ginger. Give it a few big chunky slices, you know. And we're just going to place all this stuff in a nice little bowl. Next, you have your fresh thyme.
Okay, now I'm gonna chop up our green onions. Now we're gonna add our green onions to our bowl. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of our onion powder, 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of ground black pepper, now we're going to add our Szechuan seasoning, the whole packet, 3 tablespoons of our Oxtail seasoning, 2, 3, and the same for our all-purpose seasoning. Okay. Now we're gonna add some of our allspice. Mash it. This is what it should look like.
Alright, so we're going to start off by adding our mixture of our dry season rub. And this is 5 pounds of oxtail. Give it a nice little mix. Next, we're going to add our fresh chopped up seasoning. Nice. Mix it up again. Now the final step is to add a little bit of browning to our meat. Alright, that's good. And just give it a mix, a nice little mix again. Alright, so you just want to add 8 tablespoons of salted butter. Once the butter is melted, then we'll add our oxtail and start working on that. Yeah, so we're basically adding the oxtail to the pot right now, you know. Give it a nice little brown color real quick. You don't want it to splash up all over the place. You have to take your time and drop it in that pot, you know? Yes. Alright guys, so you just want to give your oxtail a nice quick stir fry. So that's all you're doing, stir frying for like a good minute. Once you have the nice brown color, just add the cover to it and let it simmer for a good 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll add it to the pressure cooker. Alright, the oxtail is looking good. So it's about that time to add it to the pressure cooker. Alright, so you want to add some extra water to your pot and then pour it in the pressure cooker. So I just added like 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water. Alright guys, so you just want to cook this for 50 minutes in the pressure cooker and you should be good. You know, after that's done, we'll move on to the final step. Alright, so we're just going to remove our oxtail from the pressure cooker back into this pot real quick. Alright guys, so please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.